given another, this is question 12. So we're given another interpretation type problem where we need to interpret what they're telling us. So they are basically giving us like a constraint, or not constraint, but like we need to figure out how to write out this inequality that they're giving us, right? So they're saying the minimum was 0.6 inches per hour, and then the maximum was 1.8 inches per hour. So that should be the bounds of our inequality. So right off the bat, I know that is wrong because they didn't say anywhere that the rate is going to be greater than 2.4. It's like within the range, right? The maximum is 1.8. So we shouldn't have S be greater than 1.8 at any point, right? So again, this is wrong. Here, the bounds just don't make sense because they never mentioned a zero. So this is just also wrong because, again, we should have 0.6 at the bottom end, right? At the lower end, 0.6 is less than or equal to, or rather, the rate is greater than or equal to 0.6 and less than or equal to 1.8, right? That's basically what they're telling us. And the only one that is D, right? So you have to just be very careful and understand what they meant over here, right? If they say a minimum, it's always going to be that your lower bound is going to be where they say minimum, and then your upper bound is going to be where 1.8, right? So that's how you do this one. Pretty straightforward. You just have to read very carefully and use process of elimination.